Fiona, how are you?
Go on then.
Absolutely brilliant.
You had a lovely day. You had a lovely day?
Yeah, thank you so much for inviting us.
Not a problem. Not a problem. We're glad to have you.
I'm glad you like
Absolute
it.
pleasure. Did you go on the coaster?
Yes.
Of course you did. Of course you did. Did you enjoy it?
Oh wow!
Out of 10.
You know what? So much more better than Hyperion.
Really?
Yes, definitely.
Wow, you heard it here first, everybody. You heard it here first.
Definitely much
That's
better
a bold
than
statement.
That is very bold.
Hyperion. Wow.
Oh, I'm glad you
And you
loved
know
it.
the bit that got me when it went back?
Did you go backwards down the lift hill first?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you've
You're
still
not
got another
expecting that,
second
are you?
try.
You're not expecting
Nope.
That was right. But
You need,
wow.
you need to come back to try and get the other setting.
Yes. We were sat with the UK theme park awards the other day.
Oh, really?
like, and all
Lawrence?
that.
Yeah.
And we said, hang on a minute, we'll wait until we go see Gold Rush.
Before you vote.
Can't yet,
I love
that's
that.
right.
There you
That's
go.
We was going to
perfect.
vote for Minifigure Speedway.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
sorry Legoland,
Oh.
you've been
They're lost
beaten.
again.
Do you know what? Fair play. Do you know what? We're absolutely gifted this year with all the new coasters.
Yeah.
Reimagined
Really good
rides.
year.
2024 is probably the biggest year for everybody, really.
It really is. It really is.
So, fair play to everybody.
Absolutely.
Their coasters out of the
So,
market.
our
yeah.
vote this year goes to Gold Rush.
Yay! We'll see you on the next video.
Yay! So, brilliant, excellent. Thanks ever so much once again.
It's okay.